Hello, my name is Susan Ashley. I am an international spiritual consultant and healer. I am 57 years of age, and today I'm speaking to you wearing no makeup apart from lipstick, and I'm doing that for a reason. I wanted to show you what this incredible product ASEA can do for you internally, externally, and energetically. Internally, it rejuvenates your organs and helps to regenerate your body, which facilitates healing on many different levels. Externally, it rejuvenates your skin and removes blotches and wrinkles and all sorts of things. It's incredible. And energetically, it does something else, and that's what I'd like to talk to you about today. As a spiritual consultant, I'm always looking in everybody's energy. Every day I see it, and I often see very weak energy that's not in alignment. I see people lacking in enthusiasm and positivity, and I'm finding that those people that use ASEA, suddenly their aura becomes really bright. They start to become really confident and positive about their life. Their awareness and their intuition is expanded greatly, so they're in tune with themselves. And being in tune with yourself creates trust. It actually creates enthusiasm for life because you know you're on the right path. And I'm also finding that people are more attracted to you because you're vibrant, you're alive. Nobody wants to engage with someone who looks exhausted, who is vibrating low self-worth, who doesn't seem positive or enthusiastic about anything. Everybody wants to connect with the person who's vibrant and alive and in tune and making things happen in their life. And ASEA does that for you, whether you consider the spiritual aspect of it or not. Energetically, it is aligning you with your soul. I see it very, very clearly. When your physical vibration is raised, your spirit can communicate with you more clearly. That's a very big difficulty many people have when someone passes over and they're grieving deeply. Their energy is very low, and they come to me and they say, "Oh, why haven't they contacted me? Why can't I sense them? Why don't I feel them?" It's because their vibration is so low and in so much pain. They can't hear the beautiful soul that's wanting to communicate with them. When you use ASEA, it raises your vibration on every single level. Therefore, your ability to hear, your ability to see and to know, depends what your gift is, becomes enhanced. And I'm finding that people who are taking ASEA are actually doing just that. They're communicating with themselves more clearly. They're communicating with spirit and the world more clearly, with their animals more clearly, with their plants more clearly. They are actually experiencing what we call unity consciousness, and everyone's searching for that. They're searching for connection. They're searching for connection within themselves and externally as well. And what I can tell you is that it won't happen externally unless it happens internally. And ASEA is an amazing way to create that. But don't fool yourself. It's not going to happen in a week. May not happen in 3 months or 6 months. Because just like you go through a detox physically with ASEA, you'll go through a detox spiritually or emotionally with ASEA. And that, clearing all of that, helps you to come into alignment. What I've noticed with ASEA, it speeds everything up. So I am highly recommending ASEA, and I'm suggesting that anyone who wants to feel connected to themselves, who wants to feel positive, enthusiastic about life, take it. Take it for 6 months, and it will change your life.